not over here, it's not over there. It's kind of annoying. Actually, it's kind of catchy.
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Snape,
Hermione.
Severus Hermione, Snape, Hermione, 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 Harry Potter, Harry Potter, that's me, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry, Snape, Harry Potter, I'm Harry Potter, I'm Harry Potter, Harry Potter, singing a song all day long at Hogwarts. It's the fireball! Yay!
Sorry. Got a funky wire here, hang on. Is that good? Okay.
There we go.
What the heck? Okay. Oh my god, alright. What the? Man. Okay. Thank God nobody was killed in that explosion, except for Ron. But it changed everything. Voldemort must be stopped. And with that, the year is 1997. Men in Black is in the theaters, and I, Harry Potter, am in the Forbidden Forest, which has one tree, apparently. I'm on the verge of manhood, on the verge of sacrifice. I've thought about my life, the good times, the awesome times, the times when I was awesome, and the truth is, I'm way too cool to die. Dying would suck. No, there's another way out of this. Plan B. B for better than Plan A. Here goes everything. At last, Harry, we meet. Are you ready to die? No, Voldemort. I'm ready to talk. What could you possibly have to say to me? That's preposterous. I mean, other than, oh God, the pain, please stop killing me, you were right all along. I just want to say, I know where you've been. An outsider thrown into a world that you don't understand, with a power bubbling in your veins that no one understands. It's a lot to put on one little boy's shoulders, even if he is the coolest little boy in the world, with incredibly well-toned shoulders. I might be the only person you've ever met who understands this. You don't know anything, Harry. You know nothing of me. You can never know the strength I have. Oh, yeah? Feel my arm, Voldemort. Come on. Oh, wow. Yeah, not even flexing that much. That's something. Being strong isn't so easy, is it? That's not it though, Harry. I mean, look at me. I'm depressed. I'm washed up. I'm bald. Harry, I peaked in like 1980. I know I could never truly become invincible. Hey, I don't want to die either. But you don't have to lash out at everyone. You know what that makes you look like? What? A scrub. And we don't want no scrub. I'm not a scrub. I know that. But what do they see when they look at you? Some guy running around murdering people, setting Hogwarts on fire, trying to purify the wizard race in
attain immortality at any cost? That's not nice.
I guess so, when you put it like that.
You can do better than that.
Yeah.
And do you know what, Voldemort?
What?
If it weren't for my friends, I think I would have burned down the school too.
I'm speechless, Harry.
Really?
Yeah.
Come here, bro. Look straight into my eyes. Avada Kahagya. And with that, the curtain's broken. Voldemort's okay. Harry's okay. Everybody is good. Thank you guys for coming to this.